Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix network anomaly on Binance. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Binance, click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if you encounter a network anomaly on Binance, it typically indicates a disruption or issue with your network connection or the Binance servers. Alright, so here are some steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. Number one is you want to make sure that the internet connection is active and stable, because a weak or intermittent connection can cause network anomalies. You can troubleshoot your internet connection by restarting your router or modem, switching to a different network if available to see if the issue persists, checking if other websites and services are accessible from your device, and also if you are using a VPN or proxy servers, because as we all know, Binance is not available on all locations and it has a geo restriction on specific region. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, you might want to try to disable that first to see if it's not causing the issue. The next option that you can do from here is disable extensions or add-ons can sometimes interfere with the website functionality. If I were you, I want you to temporarily disable any extensions and try accessing Binance again to see if the network anomaly error persists. Alright, now the next option that you can do is, now this method only works if you are using an Android device, so go to the app management and I need you to go to app list, and from here search for Binance. And now I need you to go to the storage and cache, and I want you to delete the clear storage and clear cache. What will happen is it can potentially fix the bugs and glitches that you might be encountering when using the Binance. That is the reason that you are getting the anomaly. After that, you can also click on the user data and remove it. And after doing so, you need to go to your Google Play Store and look for the Binance app. Make sure you have installed the latest version of the apps to see if it's not working and to see if the network anomaly has been fixed. Alternatively, you can always go to the Binance Help Center, and from here you can also check on the support if we get an answer. Now you can continue as a visitor and start chat, and always go to the contact us option. Alright, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.